Hello everyone, this is Mr. Price back again with another explanation for how you're going to tackle your word wisdom assignment for the day. So today's assignment gives you a sentence and then it gives you one of the words from our word list over here on the right. Your job is to figure out what is in this sentence that can be replaced with the word that's here on the right. And so on the blank below, you're going to rewrite this sentence, but you're going to get rid of some of the words and you're going to replace those words with this word on the right. I think it's probably a good idea for you to have the Word Wisdom Dictionary file open while you're working on this assignment as well, because I would recommend taking this word on the right, and if you don't know the meaning outright, I would look it up in the dictionary and so here we have revoke, and it means to cancel or put an end to. And so when we look at the original sentence, Stan lost so many books that the librarian canceled his library card. Well, we know that cancel or put an end to is what revoke means, so we could just get rid of this word canceled, and we're going to go ahead and make a text box, have it take up this sentence, and we'll rewrite it. Now you may be saying, Mr. Price, the word is revoke, and you put revoked, and that's okay. Please notice the directions up at the top that says you may need to add an ending to the word to make it fit into the sentence properly. So please make sure that you're tending to that. We can do the next one together too, just so you guys get a better feel for how things are done. Many students are in favor of more time for after-school sports, and the word is advocate. I'm going too fast. It's not loading quick enough. Sorry about that. This is that word that we had yesterday, or perhaps 2 days ago now, but there were 3 versions of it, so we had to choose the one that fits the best. We had chosen supporter or defender as the version that fits best with the story. However, when you're working on pages like these, you need to double check the way that the word is being used on the assignment as well. Because just because this was the version that fit when we were looking at the first page and the actual story, doesn't mean that it's the version that's going to fit best when we're trying to think about what we should replace in one of these sentences. So the sentence is, many students are in favor of more time for after-school sports, or just advocate. And so really the third definition fits better for this one, to be in favor of something. And so that gives us an idea of what needs to be replaced in that initial sentence. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cross off in favor, because if you advocate for something, you are in favor of it. We're going to select text box, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a text box and rewrite the sentence. Many students are advocate of more time for after-school sports. Hopefully you notice that this doesn't really fit. I am using the plural form of students, and then I'm saying that they are advocate. I'm using the singular form of advocate, and so that doesn't really fit. So we need to make sure that they agree and that they're both plural. Many students are advocates of more time for after-school sports. So it makes sense. I've omitted something from the original sentence and replaced it with a word from our word list. I want to show you one quick thing. If we return back to the word wisdom dictionary and we look at this third version here, it is the version that is a verb, so it's talking about an action of doing something. So with the students being advocates, it has that form down here. So if you're trying to make the words fit correctly and agree properly when you're rewriting these sentences, please consult the Word Wisdom Dictionary to check for the other forms of the word that you might be able to use. I hope that this has given you some direction for what you're supposed to do today. Please let me know if you have any questions. As always, I'm available from 2 to 2:30 during my office hours, and I'd love to help you if you need it. Have a great day.